So here's I'm on video phones. You can see two video phones, 906 and 907. Now I'm asking for an incoming call from 909. So now you can see a video call is coming on reception extension, for example. So I'm answering the call from here. Okay, and if I want to transfer this call to doctor or some other number, so I'm pressing on more option and clicking on transfer key, and as you can see 907 is the different extension number, so I'm just dialing 907 and transfer. So here I have option to answer with video and audio, so I'm answering with video, and you can see the video is transferred successfully. Thank you.